Hey friends, it is Becca Robbins here with this crazy adventure called Life. I'm back with another hotel room tour. This time we are at the LEGOLAND Hotel, the original hotel. I wasn't able to score the Castle Hotel, but we made it here to the LEGOLAND Hotel, and I actually have two room tours, so be sure to watch for the other one when it goes up as well. So let's take a look at the regular suite, but with a balcony added on. We did add that on. It was like $10 more. And this is a pirate theme room, as you can tell from the decorations around me. But this hotel is amazing. I'm just going to say that right there. They have like treasure hunts for the kids where they get Lego prizes and more. But you're here for the room tour, so let's take a look. All right, here we go. We are entering into our pirate suite with a balcony. Right off the bat, as you come in, it is full of pirate and Lego decor, which is so much fun. Kids are going to love this. Kids are going to just love this. We have a pirate rat up here. So this is the kids' sleeping area. All of the rooms here at the LEGOLAND Hotel are made for families because they all have this kids sleeping area and the adult sleeping area. So we have a twin bunk bed right here with a pull out, so you can fit 3 kids right here in this section. Over here we have our treasure chest. So here is our little monkey friend guarding that chest. When our kids do the treasure hunt, the hunts give them a clue, and then you use the code to unlock the treasure chest and get your prize. We have ample space here for clothing. There's your extra bedding. Really great. Look, the ice bucket is a Lego head. I love it. Okay. There are Lego sets for kids to play with, and they are cleaning these really well. They take them out and they sanitize them. I was watching maids do it as I came in. As you can see, we're going to get to that part in a moment. That was the master area, but here is our bathroom. It has, let me turn the light on here, more pirate theming, of course. Look at the detail on these things, guys. This is amazing. So awesome. Everything is awesome. All right, take a look at that. And of course we have a bathtub here. Nothing super special, but we'll open this up so you can see. They have dispensers with the soaps. Here we go. And to not take up extra room, it actually has a sliding barn style door, which is hard to get on my camera, but it has a little bug on it. I love it. All right, as we enter farther in, we have a refrigerator. That's really good size. It does have a freezer shelf there. This one looks a little iced over, but that's okay. We have the television for the adults to watch. Even more Lego details up here. Our steering wheel mirror. Over here we have, this opens up, and look, all the details. Here's your safe and a second fridge. So if mom and dad want to hide some goodies, there you go. Kids can't get to it. Awesomeness. We have a chair, simple. Behind it's the luggage rack. And over here is the king size bed. Always great to have a king size bed. I love when hotels have king size beds. And we got our Lego. This is all built. A lot of these are out of Lego, so I'm trying to really show you that. And there's our artwork. And we have over here a butterfly. And then you come out here and we have, oops, if I can unlock it, a patio balcony, which overlooks the entrance to Legoland. Now, my family is visiting during the pandemic, and why would we choose to stay at the Legoland Hotel during the pandemic? That is because guests at the Legoland Hotel are free to walk in and explore Miniland for free from Legoland. So while Legoland is not open, we can still go in and enjoy Miniland. And the big shop is open. So they do have set hours, so make sure you check on that. We're going to be pushing it if we can make it in or not to Miniland today. And we leave in the morning, so yikes. I hope you enjoyed this room tour of the Pirate Suite with balcony at the Legoland Hotel. And like I said, I also have a family suite during the stay with a different theme. So make sure you go and check that out. It can sleep up to 7. So if you have a slightly larger family, that is the room that you're going to want to book. And it's really, right now at least, it isn't that much more expensive. So check that out. If you enjoy seeing these room tours, or if you want tips for Disneyland or other theme park travel, be sure to hit subscribe and turn on those notifications so that you know when one of my videos goes live. We'll see you real soon.